Hi everyone! This will be, I guess, the shortest video on my channel. We just arrived to Kuldiga and it's raining. Actually, it's hard rain. So guys, this is Kuldiga. But yeah, actually, when we started our trip to Kuldiga, it was very good weather. At least it was good in Riga. It was warm, sunny and no wind, and of course no rain. So we thought that yeah, today is a good day to start our next adventure. But yeah, it looks like rain is stopping. At least slowly it started to rain less and less. But anyway, now we are searching for some cafeteria or restaurant to have a break, to eat some food and wait until the rain completely stops and maybe we will see some sun. At least far away we see that there are no clouds. Hopefully there will be no clouds here as well. Yeah, the rain has stopped finally, and behind me you see cafeteria Kursas Zeme, where we decided to stay and eat some food. I ordered some burger and some chicken nuggets with French fries for kids. Yeah, I hope this place is good. Burgers quite expensive, 10 euro for beef burger. But yeah, I guess this is the center of the city, so everything will be expensive here. And while we wait for the food, I have decided to do some pictures and videos of this place, of Kuldiga Town Hall Square or Rats Laukums. Yeah, here you can see Kuldiga's fountains, very cool. And yeah, this is the Town Hall Square or Rats Laukums in Latvian, and it was earlier used as a market square. And yeah, Kuldiga's old town hall was built in the second half of the 17th century. And there, near the town hall, is a monument to legendary actor Walter. Yeah. Here, I guess, tourism information center. So maybe I will take some booklets where to go. And here is the stop for the tourist train. Guess we will take a ride on this tourist train. It costs 5 euro. Just 5 euro each ticket. Not so cheap, but it's quite good price. Yeah. yeah, I'm really happy that the rain has stopped and we finally can have a walk around Kuldiga to see some waterfalls. Yeah, I took some booklets about the Kuldiga, about Kuldiga Old Town, and also some booklets about cycling routes near Kuldiga, and not only in Kuldiga but in other places as well. So quite good tourism information center here with a lot of different booklets. And now we will eat our food. So yeah, what we want to see in Kuldiga. Basically we want to visit 4 main places. First of all, of course, Kuldiga's old town. We want to walk down beautiful small Kuldiga streets. Then of course this town hall square where I'm located now. And yeah, and here we had a very tasty meal in one cafeteria. It was really good meals and very friendly personnel. They even gave some papers and pens to my kids so they can draw. What else? Of course, old brick bridge across Ventas river, and this bridge has been in service since 1874, and this is actually the longest bridge of its type in Europe, and it was built in accordance with 19th century road standards, so two carriages could drive in opposite direction over the bridge. Then of course we want to visit Ventas Rumbas waterfall, which is widest natural waterfall in Europe. It's 249 meters long. And also Aleksh Upite river waterfall, which is the highest waterfall in Latvia. And now we are waiting for the tourist train, so we will have a tour across the Kuldiga, and yeah, it's almost here.
Mazpilsētas ēkas ir unikāls 17. un 18. gadsimta apbūves ansamblis, kas izvietojies pašos upes krastos. Tieši tāpēc mūsdienās Kuldiga tiek dēvēta par Latvijas Venēciju.
Kuldiga, and we are going to see wonderful waterfall here at Kuldiga. And now, but before we go to waterfall, we want to film it from the famous brick bridge over Venta river. Yeah, actually some people are swimming near waterfall. Look how gorgeous it is. So let's go and check waterfall. I know it will be amazing. And here is the swimming place. You can play beach volleyball here and have a great view on waterfall, and also swim in the river. Yeah. And here is a waterfall, the widest waterfall in Europe. Almost there. It was awesome. Swimming in the waterfall. So yeah, we had some fun at waterfall, and now kids had some swimming fun here, also not so far from waterfall. There's a special place, place for swimming. Very nice place. There's a toilet, there is a kids playground, yeah, it is nice. So we had some fun here, and now we are going back to town. And this is the town garden, so we are taking the walk here now. It's a very nice place, and as you see now the sun is shining, so I'm really glad that we decided to continue our drive and not turning back to Riga. And now it's really warm and nice. Yeah. The biggest waterfall in Latvia. It is called Alekšupitas waterfall.
And now we are trying to find all the bridges over river Alekšupite. There are a lot of them, and one of them is a stone bridge which was built in the late 19th century.
And this building is the dwelling house, Stephen Hagen's house, which is actually architecture and culture monument of Latvia and of course of Kuldiga. But we continue our walking down Kuldiga's streets, enjoying the architecture of Kuldiga and just having fun. Found another bridge over Alekšupite. I don't remember how many bridges crosses this river. The guide, when we took the ride on tourist train, said that there are several bridges over this small river, but I don't remember now. But we're trying to go along the river and see how many bridges we can see. And yeah, it looks very beautiful, very nice, and we are going forward. Yeah, very nice. And this is another bridge, one more bridge. Here initially we left our car, and we just arrived to Kuldiga. I want to see if there is another bridge in that direction. So yeah, let's go there. Yeah, it looks like it doesn't work. There is no water. We found another bridge, but this bridge is very, very small.
Wow. Можно потрогать речку. Я потрогаю.
Yeah, and I see that there is another waterfall there and another bridge. Okay, this is another bridge, and there is one small waterfall here as well. And here you can see the waterfall. I'm not sure, is it 10 bridge or 8 bridge? I don't know. But yeah, actually there is one, as you can see, there is one more very small bridge here, and then this one. And there is even more bridges. There is one where I'm standing on right now, and behind my back you can see 2 more bridges. But we will not go and we will not cross them. Yeah. So there are really a lot of bridges which crosses the Upite, this small river. But now we are going back to the center of Kuldiga. So yeah, this was our small adventure in Kuldiga. I hope you like this video. If you do, don't forget to press like, and of course please subscribe to this channel. See you, bye.